Subscribe, y'all. 36 new, we had 36 subscribers, y'all. So we climbing up the charts. Pass a Plate, of course, sponsors the meal. PASS space A space PLATE. Pass a Plate on YouTube. That's what's sponsoring the meal today, y'all. But here y'all have, we got lamb chops, vegetables, macaroni and cheese. We're gonna get into it. Nice juicy lamb chops, zucchini, macaroni and cheese. Zucchini, macaroni and cheese. Get into it. Subscribe, y'all. If y'all want to say anything new on the channel, let me know. If y'all want to say something specific, get eaten. Comment, subscribe.